morning. First day off. Get the dryer full. It's a beauty morning. So I got here at 6. It's 6:40 right now, and got a busy day. We're gonna fill the wet bin again. Actually, just got here in time. Dryer was actually just about out. It was buzzing at me, so I've got enough core in there to keep it going. So I'll fill the wet bin. We're gonna go fill some wagons this morning. Switch over heads. We're gonna start some soybeans today again. So custom work. Game plan. We're gonna get myself and Pete with the red combine and the gleaner, and we're gonna go mow his beans off hopefully in the day, which will be good. And then we're gonna switch back to corn and start corn again tomorrow. Hopefully, if I can fill a few wagons today, I'll actually have enough corn to dry tonight, and then we can actually start corn again tomorrow. So hopefully, not too late of a night tonight, but we'll see. So let's get at her. Okay, 10 after 7. First light on. That wagon should put on the next light. Transport here, taking out dry corn today. So we need the roof. Corn in, corn out. So I'll finish this up and then we'll head over there. That is an awesome sunrise coming. Woo! Got the moon out. Tractor lights, pink, gorgeous. I guess look for one more set around to put that sensor on, but we'll just get out of the way. We'll get that truck loaded because he's actually in my way of getting the other set of wagons. Not a problem though. Oh yeah. So we actually ended up buying another set of RJs this year, 600 bushel wagons. So that's been very helpful, especially when we want to do this other stuff to keep the dryer running. My neighbor Pete also bought a set of 600 bushel RJs, and they're there right now. He wasn't using them yesterday. We knew what we were going to be doing today, so we borrowed a couple sets of his, and that, like I said, that should get us till tomorrow morning if we go pick a little bit today. Get a couple wagons back full, and since the wet bin's full right now, that's going to dry. What is it? 7:15. That'll probably so we'll have it full at 8 because by the time I get everything fully loaded, so that'll dry. The wet bin will be last till 8 o'clock tonight probably, and then as long as I have some sets of wagons to fill it again. At 8, that'll last till 6 tomorrow morning, and I can turn the sweep on, and then we'll start picking corn tomorrow again, and we should just keep the dryer running. It's kind of the game plan. Let's go get that truck loaded. Well, Owen's already loading it. I'm just going for moral support now. A little dark in here. I guess I could have turned on the lights. Anyways, the truck is now forward enough. We can take this set out. There's our new generator pad that I was talking about the other day. That's that wagon spot. Truck's loaded. Dryer's full. We're gonna start getting wagons down to the field because we want to start putting corn right away. Except we start soybeans. Okay, wagons are down. I'm gonna be buggy boy for the morning, and then we'll swap over to the combine. Just when you think the morning's gonna go smooth, it doesn't. It doesn't. We broke a chain. And it's wedged. Wes is getting us another one and bringing it right here. I don't know. I told him what chain it was. Go to full line and get a whole new one. They should have it in stock. I think it's 60. Yeah.
Might be a pry bar or something.
Yeah. Almost there. She don't feel new. She don't feel new. Oh, she's... Okay, we're still broken. There's my chain, but that only runs the unload auger. So we got a bunch of little short rounds here. We're waiting for parts. We're gonna fill that bin right full, and then that way when we unload, at least we're getting a full load. Or we're gonna find out something is caught and then we gotta empty it and then we're gonna empty our bushels. Small fears. Okay, new one's on. No one's gonna run it, and then we're gonna retension it after. Look out, bro, Dad. As usual. Okay, we're back at the farm. Got the head off, combine switched over. I see Pete's ready to leave. Owen's gonna hop with the buggy, we're out of here. Pete's patiently waiting at the end of the lane for us to get our crap in gear, but he understands we got a breakdown. So you can see Pete's got a different combine than the old red one. It's a new red one. It's a 5140. It's got a 25-foot head on it, so it's gonna be fun. Okay, here we go, bean harvest. You get to see it all. Just like that, we're broken again. Broken tooth. So in the 35-foot draper, it has a flush mount, so they can go between each other. These are obviously the same up here. I have all of these proper bolts for the rest of the knife, but I didn't know about this little fella till now. So Wes is going to get bolts. Good thing we got the gleaner and the case rolling. Gee, says Murphy, the green one's down. Not good. There is a possibility by the time Wes gets back here with my bolts and I get this thing together, they'll be done all the screwing around here, and we'll be going to the next field. I'll just put it right back on the cart, guaranteed. Fixed. Everything is moving nicely, I think. Yep, all right, we're back in the game. Combine yet. You know what's funny? Bro, this side looks great. Wait till we do the other side. Boom! Craziness. It was just so flooded in here when they planted. They didn't get a lot of it planted. I've been just kind of, you can see where it didn't get planted right here and right there. Oh, they got a little spot right there that they planted. Now I'm just trying to get to it. I'm hoping to fill rocks in the grass. Don't need to ruin the day. Just like that. Here we go. Yeah, they didn't get planted over there. Right, I'm just kind of going around. Honestly, it looks like they planted a racetrack here. Just went for the dry dirt. It's good enough. Okay, that is everything for this field, and I'll drop the head and go to the next one for Chad. Ooh, that is bright. We're down to the last stretch, last 40 acres. Down a mile an hour. That's disappointing, but I'm trying to get her done. The battery sucks, but even though it says 49%, and it'll just die on me eventually. Alright, that's it. Everybody's gonna take a turn jumping into Owen, putting their full load in. Alright guys, we're out of here. It's been a night. Have a good one.